Yes.
We've both been business owners for some time now.
A few years.
Every now and then I get advice from someone who doesn't know their backside from a hole in the ground about running a business.
With using a map even?
I know that you've had that experience.
More than a few times.
Give me one.
One of the ones that comes to mind almost immediately is a person when I moved my business from my home to an office. And they're like, well, why are you doing that? You should be able to run a business out of your house. Well, not everybody's cut for that. I'm not one of those people.
Mhm.
I have to have a physical place I have to go to be the most effective person I can be. And my first office was 100 square feet. It was a 10 by 10 office that I rented.
Mhm.
So it wasn't even, but it was out of my house. They told me I became less fun to be around because I was in an office. And yet the growth of my company for the year and a half I was at that location, I grew almost 300% the first year and almost 1,000% the second year.
Sounds like it was a pretty good choice.
But I was, not as much fun and I was wasting money paying rent and I would never be able to, continue working with this particular individual and things like that because I didn't know how to run a business. I'm still in business. They are no longer. They worked out of their house. I worked out of an office. Is there correlation? I don't know. But I found myself more focused when I had somewhere else to go. And it's not for everybody.
Mhm.
There are a lot of people that can be very focused. So you have to understand who you are and what you're trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish. So even though someone thinks they're trying to give you advice, you still need to know who you are. Who are you? What motivates you? What's the best use of your time?
I love that, Joel. Thank you.
You're welcome.